Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Mazda, guys, any Mazda, let's say Mazda 2, 3, 5, 6, Mazda CX-3, CX-5, CX-7, guys, and one of your headlights doesn't work, guys, okay, let's say you replace the bulb and it's still not working, guys, we'll explain what could cause that on a Mazda. Okay, almost all of them will be that way. First thing, guys, to check out when a headlight doesn't work is the bulb, correct? But there is a simple solution to that, so make sure, guys, you stay until the end. Also, quick introduction, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, guys, and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So we'll go ahead and turn the headlights and I'll show you how one of them doesn't work, guys. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, let's turn the low beams on. Okay, and high beams at the same time. And you can see one of them, guys, okay, high beams doesn't work. We thought it was a bulb, it's not. We checked the bulb and that's not the case. So let me explain, guys, what could cause that on Mazda. Sometimes the whole headlight might quit working, not just one of the bulbs. So in today's video, guys, that's what we'll be discussing. So every guy's Mazda, almost every Mazda has, guys, fuses for the headlight. And what is interesting on this Mazda CX-7, it actually has, guys, okay, it actually has 4 fuses, okay, 4 of them, not just one. Okay, for the left headlight there is 2 fuses, one for low beams, one for high beams. For the right headlight there is 2 fuses again, one for the low beams, one for the high beams. And you need to check that. Also, guys, on some Mazdas you will have relays for the headlight as well. So those relays, guys, will control the headlights. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open the fuse box here and I'm going to show you what to look for usually. Okay, so check this thing out. Okay, this Mazda now, okay, this says head, high, left hand side. Head, high, right hand side. This is for the high beams on left and right headlight. This right here now, guys, okay, let me see where it went. There is for the low beams as well, guys, okay, not just for the right beams. So okay, right here, low beams, left, right side. So we're going to check our left hand side. High beam doesn't work, so that's the fuse that we need to check. And okay, it is right here, guys. This is the fuse. Okay, this seems like a burnt fuse, guys, to me. Yep, you can see how it's black. If you guys need to buy replacement fuses, check out in the description of the video, guys. Okay, we'll share with you, okay, where we buy them from. This whole box, it's super cheap, guys. So you will have fuses for a long time, believe me. And you get that thing for the price that you're just going to buy a few replacement fuses at the parts store. It comes with a free fuse puller as well. So I'll go ahead, push this one in, perfect. And don't forget to put your cover, guys, okay, fuse cover, because if you do, guys, okay, water may get in. So we're going to turn the headlights now, okay, and see if that fixes the problem. So let's check it out quick. Hopefully it does. Okay, low beams, now high beams. Yep, everything works, guys. So if you have a Mazda, hopefully that will save you some trouble. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.